Simple Learning. Welcome to Simple Learning.
Welcome, friends. Today, we are going to do Animals Names Quiz. Let's do it together.
Hi, kids! Let's have a quick test. Are you ready for the quiz? Let's get started. What animal is this? This is a tiger. What animal is this? This is a monkey. What animal is this? This is a panda. What animal is this? This is a bull. What animal is this? This is a donkey. What animal is this? This is a dog. What animal is this? This is a goat. What animal is this? This is a sheep. Great job! Tell in the comments how many questions you answered well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
Thanks for watching, friends. Like, share, and subscribe. I will catch up in the next video.